Revising and refining. Crafting your best ideas. Hello, language learners. Today we are taking a deep dive into one of the most crucial stages of the writing process: revising and refining ideas. It's often overlooked, but it's where our writing begins to truly shine. So, let's turn those rough drafts into polished pieces. First, let's understand why revising and refining are so crucial. Many new writers believe that writing is a one-shot process. You put your ideas down, and that's it. But in reality, writing is more like sculpting. You start with a block of ideas, and it's through revising and refining that you chisel away the excess, smooth the rough edges, and reveal the masterpiece within. The revising stage is where we get to rework our ideas, improving their clarity, flow, and impact. It's a chance to assess what's working, what isn't, and how we can make it better. Revising is about looking at our work with a critical eye and making big changes for the better. So, how do we revise effectively? Here are some steps to guide you. 1. Rest before revising. After finishing your initial draft, take a break. This can be an hour, a day, or even longer if possible. Distance allows you to see your work more objectively. 2. Read aloud. When you read your work aloud, you can catch awkward phrasing or convoluted ideas that you might miss when reading silently. 3. Look for clarity and coherence. Make sure your ideas are clear and logically connected. If something is confusing, it probably needs refining. 4. Seek feedback. A fresh pair of eyes can spot issues that you've missed and provide valuable perspectives. Remember, revision is a process that might need several rounds. Don't be disheartened if your work isn't perfect after the first or second pass. Refining is the next step. It's the polishing stage where we take our revised work and fine-tune it. This is where we focus on details: word choice, sentence structure, punctuation, and grammar. The refining process is just as important as revising because it's what gives your writing its finesse and polish. Just like the revising process, refining also involves a few steps. 1. Proofread. Look for typographical errors, misspelled words, or incorrect grammar. 2. Check for style consistency. Make sure your tone, tense, and point of view are consistent throughout the piece. 3. Fine-tune your language. Look for opportunities to replace weak words with stronger, more precise ones. 4. Trim the excess. Remove redundant words or phrases. Every word should serve a purpose. Remember, refining is not just about fixing mistakes. It's about enhancing your work to the highest level. Revising and refining are crucial stages in the writing process. They transform our initial ideas into a polished piece of writing. Remember, writing is a journey, not a one-time event, and every great writer is a persistent reviser. So, keep revising, keep refining, and let your ideas shine. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see your polished pieces. Happy writing!